G'day guys, how are we? So, hi Fletcher.
I'm starting.
We are, this video, doing the front lights and everyone is already getting started to it. So basically, at the moment he has stock lights on. He's turned them to chrome. You pulled the insides out and made them chrome, didn't you? Oh,
yeah, they had like a orange like thing in there for the indicators. Nah.
I'll put a photo right here of what they usually look like, and then that's what they look like now. So it's like an insert, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like an orange insert.
Yeah,
It makes it orange.
Yeah.
It just looks
I don't know what
shit.
the other one.
Yeah. So he's gone and made him chrome because on his car, the look of his car is like white wheels. It's sort of chrome sort of look, isn't it? It's going for like the more black.
Black.
Yeah. So basically, he's gone and bought these new lights. Show us. Have us a geese. Show us a geese. All mad. So like they're proper chrome. They look sick. Maybe move away from the light.
The only issue with those is the chrome housings are cracked and the headlights are foggy as.
Yeah. So we've got these to replace it.
Yes.
Which they look sick. And they're halo ones as well, aren't they?
Yeah, I got the halos on there. They just wire into the Parkers or something. We'll figure that out.
Yep. Easy done. Cool. So yeah, we're gonna head straight away on this. We're gonna be kind of quick. It's starting to get dark, and we've still got to make one more video on her car, which is doing something that I'm not talking about. Because it might have already went out beforehand. I don't know what order I'm putting all this in. I've done 4 videos in one day, so let's go. But anyway, yeah. So excited for your new lights? Let's go. Let's do it. So if anyone's following along doing this install at home, what are we doing, Fletch? How are we doing this?
Taking out all 3 clips that hold my front bar on.
Yep. So first thing you do is take off the front bar, do you?
Well, you don't have to take it off, but it's easier to, yes.
Easier to take the front bar off. So if you can take the front bar off, it'd be better. But yeah, I'm just basically gonna be here as his side man and not do a whole lot, but record the whole thing so you guys, if you're doing this as well.
I'm the
sits around and does nothing.
But yeah,
you're just mooching content off me.
yeah, I am literally just getting content off there.
I want to do this on Monday, bro.
Hey?
It's now Saturday. I want to do this on Monday when they came.
But now he's doing it with his best mate.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyways, so I'm just going to be here and document the whole thing. He's probably going to do most of it. I am still sick-ish, so I can't really do too much. I'm very weak, aren't I?
Always.
Always weak.
That's
But-
normal.
Yes.
Wow, thanks. But yeah, so we're going to do front lights and let's go. Okay, so we have gone and pulled the front lights. I'm not even going to say we. Fletcher's gone and pulled the front lights off. I've assisted and just held things.
Just sat here.
And you've just sat here, and Taylor's just joined the party just then.
I fixed my bag.
He fixed his back. He was fixing things on his car. But yeah, so we pulled the front bumper off, which was a little bit of a pain in the bum. He's got his he's done like it's I don't know, blob eyes are weird. And anyways, so we've got the front lights to put on now. We've got to take off the rear ones,
Wait.
so the old ones.
Aren't these crimp connectors for wiring?
What are they?
They are, aren't they?
I have no clue.
Yeah, that's how you splice stuff into wiring. That's probably what the Halo's for.
Yeah, okay. Well, I'm going to quickly show you guys what it looked like and what the new ones look like because the new ones are 10 times cooler, aren't they? Do you like the new ones? I was weird about them when you first showed me on the site, but in person it looked 10 times better.
Yeah, for sure. I was iffy about them too. I pressed order and I was like, oh shit.
Yeah. But in person it looked 10 times better. So I'll show you, I'll compare them both to you right now. Okay, so these are, which one's the old ones? Which one's the new one, Fletcher?
I'm not gonna answer.
So these are the old ones, they're all cloudy and everything. He's tried to clean them a few times, it hasn't really worked, did it?
Yeah, I've restored them like I think 3 or 4 times, and they just go back to cloudy.
Yeah.
After a couple of weeks.
But yeah, so basically these are the new ones. They're all Angel Eye and everything, which is cool. We just got to wire them into something, or is it Parkers? Do we wire it into?
Parkers or something like that.
Yeah. They look mad. They look sick as. Oh, they got these little things here. Do they light up as well?
Those are the Parkers.
Oh, they're the Parkers, are they? Okay. And obviously that's one there. The old ones. They're kind of boring. But I mean, if they worked, they would clean. They look cool.
If they're clean, they look good when they were clean, but
Yeah.
they was never clean for long.
Yeah. But yeah, so let's chuck these bad boys in while we're at it. This is probably going to be a pretty short video, but we're just smashing things out. I'm trying to get content.
Oh, don't say that, bro. We have to do wiring.
Oh, that is true. This video's probably going to be pretty long, so yes. Yeah. Let's go. So, just explaining exactly what he's done here.
So I've just spliced these are my Halo wires. These two here. These are the Parker wires. I've just spliced them into here so the halos now have power. When
So
the-
basically,
when the
positive.
Parkers
Well,
do.
white goes to positive, and then black goes to black, which is negative.
Yep. So
So sweet. Let's go see if they work.
I touched these cables on a battery the other day and the halos came on. So
Oh, mad.
they
Alright.
should, they should be right.
Sweet. Cool.
I'll just put some tape on this so we don't have negative, positive
Yep.
touching and stuff.
Yeah. Sweet.
Let's go see if it blows up.
All right. So plug her in. One goes there.
No, it doesn't. It goes there.
Oh.
Where'd the other one at? There it is. And then
That's for your high beam, is it?
that's my high beam, yeah. And I'm just using the high beam that's in there because it's not aftermarket or anything. Like this one was just a normal one. So.
Yeah, easy. Cool. Sweet. So if I hold this here, and I'll tell you exactly what's working and what's not. Hopefully
Should you
we.
be leaving a bulb on top of your battery though?
All right.
Not like a plug in. So
Let's have a look.
Parkers.
Yep. The everything's working. So are the halos.
Halos are working, are they?
Yep.
Yeah.
Mad.
Oh hell yeah.
They look mint.
So that's Parker's halos.
Yep. That's high beam. Sorry, the normal lights are on. Yep. High beams. Perfect. Sweet. Blinkers. Yep.
Hell yeah.
Sweet. Perfect.
Shit.
Everything works. All right. So basically, all that's done with all the wiring. Everything. Fletch has wired it all up correctly.
Now I gotta do the other one.
And now we have to do the other one. So yeah.
Yay.
Fun days. Then we can chuck it back on, and it's basically done. So I mean that's a plus. At least we know we're doing the right thing.
I think I'm gonna make like a box or something for this. 'Cause,
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
This is just spaghetti.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really
It is. Yeah.
Yeah, it's not good.
Good place for spiders to live. Yes, sir. Anyways, yep. So we're just gonna finish wiring up the other one. I'm not gonna video that. There's no point in doing that. But yeah. So I will see you guys when we're putting the next one in. Lego. All right. So we've just gone and put both the lights in. Testy, testy. So that's Parker's. Yep. Both of them work.
Low beams.
Low beams. Both of them work.
High beams.
Perfect. Blinkers. Perfect. Sweet.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. I mean, now the lights are on, we can just, chuck on the front bumper?
Pretty much. You just put the bolts down, chuck on the front bumper, and that's it. I think.
And
You need to
yeah,
clean your engine bay.
we're gonna pick and fights, Fletch. You gonna fight
I mean, mine's only clean because it's being replaced.
it? But yeah, so he's just gonna chuck the front bumper on now. I'm just helping Taylor fix his bags because something went a little bit wrong with that. But yeah, so yeah, cool. All right, I'm gonna set up a time lapse, and then Fletcher's gonna talk to you guys and be a pro vlogger.
Why?
I don't know, because you are.
Oh no.
Cool. All right, sweet. I'll see you guys soon. As you guys just saw, Fletcher just, hey Fletch, your fog lights popped out.
What do you mean?
Look.
Cover.
Look at the fog light cover, bro. Look at the fog light cover. Perfect. So we've gone and put the lights on. I just showed you what it was. Damn it, I just showed you. Look, there you go. Bang. Chrome. Hell yeah. That looks sick. That looks sick, bro.
Thanks, man.
That does look sick. It is pitch black now. We're all very tired. And I'm sorry for the jumpy around videos. The last however many videos, so I'm sorry. Just very stuffed. And I get ran down quickly because of what happened in hospital and everything. So I just can't be bothered doing most things. I'm trying. I'm sorry. But yeah. Headlights look good. They look mad. I'm a massive fan of the halos with the blob eyes. A lot of people do the little around thingy-majiggy. But I think the halos look better, to be honest, in my opinion. Yeah, I agree. Especially on this car. This looks mad. Hell yeah, chrome looks mad.
They look weird on my car.
Oh yeah, I think they would as well.
So bad.
But like on blob eyes, I feel like chrome looks good.
100%.
Yeah. But yeah, cool. Are you happy with the Fletch? Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video. See you later. Bye.